Imagine texting an AI on WhatsApp, and within minutes, it starts creating content, posting on social media, replying to DMs, and managing clients, all while you get paid for it. Sounds crazy, right? But that is exactly what AICora does. It is your own AI social media manager that works 24/7. And the best part? You can use it to build a real income stream, without needing design skills, content experience, or a big team. Everyone wants to make money online, but most people quit when they realize how much time it takes to manage clients, create content, and keep up with social media. Freelancers burn out. Agencies struggle to deliver consistent results. And small business owners have no idea how to post daily or engage their audience. But what if you could run a full-blown social media business without doing the hard parts yourself? That is where AICora comes in. AICora is an AI-powered social media manager you can literally talk to on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. You just text it commands like, create 3 posts for a wedding photographer with captions and hashtags. Or, reply to new comments on this client's page. And AICora does everything automatically, creating, scheduling, posting, and engaging across Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and more. This means you can run social media accounts for multiple clients, using nothing but your phone. How it works? Here is how simple it is. Step 1. Create your AI assistant inside AICora. You can train it with your brand tone, website links, or any files related to your client. Step 2. Give it instructions through chat. It instantly writes captions, creates posts, suggests trending ideas, and schedules content automatically. Step 3. It manages engagement, replying to comments and messages like a human community manager would. It is like hiring a professional team of content creators, designers, and managers. But instead of paying thousands per month, you get it for a one-time fee. The money-making opportunity. Now here is where things get interesting. AICora is not just a tool, it is a business opportunity. Because once you have it, you can create unlimited AI social media managers for clients. That means you can offer AI-powered content management as a service. Let us do the math. If you charge even $500 per month for managing a small business's social media, and you have just 6 clients, that is $3,000 every single month. And AICora handles 80% of the work for you. No more endless nights writing captions, searching hashtags, or scheduling posts. You focus on bringing clients, and your AI does the delivery. That is how smart freelancers and digital marketers are using this tool to create income streams fast. Why this works right now? There has never been a better time for this. Every business today knows they need social media, but they do not have time, skills, or budget to hire a full-time marketer. At the same time, AI automation is exploding. Businesses want faster, cheaper ways to stay active online, and tools like AICora fill that gap perfectly. That is why the people who jump on tools like this early are the ones who make the most money. You are not fighting for attention. You are providing automation as a service. What you get with AICora. When you grab AICora, you get full access to their AI social media manager app. It includes the ability to build your own AI assistant for any client or niche, access through WhatsApp, Telegram, or web dashboard. Multi-client management so you can handle unlimited businesses, content creation, scheduling, posting, and analytics, all done automatically, and commercial rights so you can use it to sell services legally and keep 100% of the profits. Plus, there is a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Why AICora is different. A lot of AI tools can create content, but AICora does much more. It actually manages your client's social media presence. It does not just write captions, it posts them. It does not just suggest ideas, it executes them. And it even replies to audience comments, keeping engagement alive while you sleep. This is like turning WhatsApp into your personal employee. One that never takes breaks, never complains, and works faster than any human manager. Who this is for? If you are a freelancer tired of chasing clients, this gives you leverage. If you already run an agency, this doubles your capacity overnight. If you are just starting out, it is the fastest way to enter the online income space. You do not need any special skills, you do not need to design or edit, and you do not need to learn complicated software. If you can send a text, you can run AICora. So, here is your next move. Click the link in the description, grab your access to AICora before the launch offer ends, and start building your AI-powered income stream today. Do not wait for others to figure it out first. By the time most people realize what this tool can do, the early adopters will already be managing dozens of clients with AI doing the work. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income, AICora can be your shortcut. Start with one client, prove it works, then scale. That is how real online businesses are built today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI tools that help you make money, not waste time. Because the truth is, AI is not replacing people. It is replacing people who refuse to use it. Let AICora work for you, while you focus on growing your business. The link is below. Go check it out.